You already know what it is. It's your boy Laid Back with another reaction, another review, another episode. Hey, KSI and Marie, Digital Farm Animals. You up to bat.
Bah. Bitch, I'm drowning up in it. Most of you niggas is lazy. Half of you niggas fugazi. Yeah, I be spitting that crack shit, cause I was born in the A.
It's your boy Laid Back. Welcome back to my channel. Hey, two things we gotta do. You gotta hit that subscribe button. I'm drinking this water. You already know what it is, man. Appreciate time, appreciate life in 2021, man. That's what we on. But check this out. We got this new record from Anne Marie, KSI, and Digital Farm Animals. This is called Don't Play. Y'all was like, yo, Laid Back, you gonna do that or what's up with you? What's up with you? I'm here, man. This is Trash or Pass. Fire Squad. What's poppin'? Let's get it.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently.
This shit sound like it's gonna be a pop song, like a poppy type record. Let's go.
Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play. Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently.
It give me a feel like that KSI record that he did with Craig David. All the time, no, love is all in my mind. It give me that feel. Tell me that don't give you the same feel as this shit. Let's go.
When the hitting is deep, don't play, yeah.
All that time on your own with me. We had fun on the 360. I helped you get out UAV. Still could never get you that AC. Sneaking in school just to get by you. I'm obsessed with the sand on you. Coco Chanel on your neck, with your body in check. Loving all the time with you. But now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online most.
Yo, KSI think he about to be a pop star or something. Is that what he going for? He going for the whole pop star. You know what I mean? I ain't gonna lie, the little shiny green looking coat, that shit kind of fire. But is he trying to go for the whole pop star angle? Y'all let me know in the comments, man.
You won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. Don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. All the things you doing, yeah, I think I've seen it all before. Seen it all before. If you don't give me your time, then I ain't giving you mine. If you're gonna lie, then I'ma say goodbye. Every game you're playing, yeah, boy, I've played them all before. And I win them all.
Cause now you've just gone missing. You're airing all my wishes. You're online but still won't listen. My time is you dismissing. This isn't no way a two-way street. I'm playing sad and
You know what I mean? Yeah, it's alright, you know.
sad and it's on repeat. Call me here hoping you see my snap. Cause I'm not ready for us to ride. No.
Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. When the hitting is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. Don't play games with my heart. Ooh-wee. Now the feels hit me differently. When the hitting is deep, don't play, yeah, yeah. Play, yeah, yeah. Play, yeah, yeah. Play, yeah, yeah. Play, yeah.
All right, so that was Anne Marie, KSI, Digital Farm Animals, Don't Play, Trash or Pass. I'm gonna pass it, but it was some mid. It was mid, bro. I'm not listening to this again. Her voice is all right. You know what I'm saying? You know, KSI did all right. This is all right. It's just an all right record. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't see nothing spectacular about it. It is what it is. Y'all let me know in the comments what y'all thought about this. Is this a trash or a pass, man? You already know, man. Drop that rating. Till next time, man. Self-love and positivity, Fire Squad. I got you and you know it. Hey.